In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Stripe to your bank account. If you're looking to get your hard-earned funds from Stripe into your bank account, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you're set up smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to your Stripe dashboard. This is your command center where you manage all your Stripe-related activities. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, head to the Settings icon located at the top right of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a page where you can adjust various aspects of your Stripe account. Next, you will see an option labeled Business. Click on that to access the settings related to your business account. This area is crucial because it houses all the information regarding your payouts and bank accounts. Now, look for the section titled Bank Account and Currencies. This is where you'll manage your bank account details and ensure that your payouts are set up correctly. Once you're in the Bank Account and Currencies section, you'll see an option to Add a Bank Account. Go ahead and click on this. This step is pivotal because you'll be linking your bank account to Stripe, allowing your funds to be transferred directly. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. Make sure to double-check your account number and routing number. Accuracy here is vital to avoid any delays or issues with your payouts. Once you've entered the necessary information, Stripe will use this bank account to send all your USD payouts. After you've added your bank account details, the final step is to confirm the addition by clicking on Add Bank Account. This confirmation is essential to complete the setup process. Once this is done, Stripe will start processing your payouts to the newly added bank account. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your bank account on Stripe for payouts. From now on, your funds will be transferred automatically to your bank account according to the payout schedule you've set up with Stripe. Remember, if you ever need to update your bank details, you can always revisit this section in your Stripe dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Stripe payouts to your bank account seamlessly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.